Hello friend, in this video we can find the value of a. So solution from here. Dear student, firstly I can rewrite the question here, which is a multiplied by a multiplied by a minus a multiplied by a is equal to 100. Now, dear student, in the next step, a multiplied by a multiplied by a equals to a cube minus a multiplied by a equals a square is equal to 100. Dear student, if you are new in my channel, then kindly like to the video and subscribe to my channel. So now in the next step I can write it is a cube minus a square. This 100 can shift to the left side and it can become negative 100 is equal to 0. Now dear student, in the next step I can write it as a cube minus a square minus I can write 100 is 125 minus 25 bracket close bracket is equal to 0. This become negative 100, so I can write it as. Now in the next step it become a cube minus a square. This negative sign will multiply to this one, so it become negative 125 negative negative positive and 25 equals to 0. So in the next step a cube minus a square minus 125 we can write is 5 to the power of 3 plus 25 we can write 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 0. In the next step we can write it a cube minus 5 cube minus a square plus 5 square. I can write it because I can take it for formula is equal to 0. Now in the next step dear student, it will become a cube minus 5 cube minus a square minus 5 square is equal to 0. Now here I can write two formulas which you can must remember, and we can apply these two formula on the above step. The first formula is m cube minus n cube is equal to m minus n into m square plus mn plus n square. Okay dear student, the second one formula which you can also remember, which is m square minus n square equals to m minus n into m plus n. Okay, so now we can apply these two formula on this one step. So it become a minus 5 into a square plus 5a plus 5 square close bracket minus a minus 5 into a plus 5 close bracket is equal to 0. Now in the next step, a minus 5 into a square plus 5a plus 5 times 2 equals 25 minus into a plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so in the next step we can write it is a minus 5 into a square plus 5a plus 25. This negative will be multiplied to negative a. Negative 5 is equal to 0. So in the next step we can write it is a minus 5 close bracket open bracket is a square plus 4a plus 20 close bracket is equal to 0. This for plus 5 and negative a is equal to 4a. 25 minus 5 equals positive 20. In the next step, firstly we can take this one is equal to 0. So a minus 5 equal to 0. Also a square plus 4a plus 20 equal to 0. Now here a minus 5 equal to a is equal to 5. This one is a1. This is the value of a1. Now if we talk about this one, so this is a quadratic equation and it have two values. So now we solve this quadratic equation. Now dear student, this is a quadratic equation and here I can suppose that m is equal to 1, n is equal to 4 and c is equal to constant which is equal to 20. Now the formula of quadratic equation become a is equal to negative n plus minus n square minus 4 time m time c square root divided by 2 into m. 2 into m. Now a is equal to negative n value become negative 4 plus minus 4 square negative 4 time 1 time 20 square root divided by 2 into 1 because the value of m is 1. In the next step, a is equal to negative 4 plus minus 4 times 4 into the power of 2 equals 16 minus 4 times 20 equals 80 square root divided by 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now in the next step it will become a is equal to negative 4 plus minus 16 minus 80 equals negative 64 square root divided by 2. Now in the next step a is equal to negative 4 plus minus I can write it as 64 time into negative 1 square root divided by 2. Now, in the next step, e is equal to negative 4 plus minus. I can separately square root on each one. So, negative 1 square root and also 64 square root divided by 2. Now, a is equal to negative 4 plus minus square root of 64 is 8 and negative 1 square root is iota divided by 2. In the next step, I can separately write E is equal to negative 4 divided by 2 plus minus 8 iota divided by 2. Okay, so here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and now A is equal to 2, excuse me, negative 2 plus minus 4 iota. Now if you remember, then the value of A1 is equal to 5, which is real answer, real solution of this question. And here is the value of A2 becomes negative 2 plus 4 iota. Also A3 value become negative 2 negative 4 iota, which is complex root. Okay, so dear student, this is the final answer of this math question. If you enjoy my videos, then like to the videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.